In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text in Webflow. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting with Webflow, editing text is a fundamental skill you'll need to master in order to create engaging and polished websites. Let's dive in and explore the straightforward process for modifying text in the Webflow Designer. First, you'll want to open your Webflow project in the Designer. Once your project is open, take a moment to locate the specific text element you want to edit. This could be a heading, a paragraph, or even a text element within a button. Webflow makes it easy to modify these elements directly on your design canvas. This is giving you the flexibility to see changes in real time as you go. Now, with the Designer open and your text element in sight, go ahead and double-click on the text that you want to change. This action will switch the text element into an editable mode. You'll notice the text is now highlighted and ready for you to make modifications. This is your cue to start typing your new text directly on the canvas. Whether you're updating a block of text or rephrasing a call to action on a button, type away with confidence, knowing that you're only a few steps away from finalizing your changes. Once you're satisfied with your newly edited text, the final step is just as crucial. Click outside the text element. By clicking anywhere outside, you effectively save the changes you've made to the text. Remember that Webflow autosaves your project frequently, but it's always a good best practice to give your project a once-over to ensure everything is as intended. A handy tip while editing: keep your text concise and relevant to your web page's aim. This will not only streamline visitor experience, but also enhance your site's readability and aesthetics. If you're working with the team, consider previewing the changes periodically to ensure that the text aligns well with the overall design and messaging. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to effectively edit text in Webflow. This essential skill opens up a world of opportunities for customizing your websites to better suit your project's needs. Whether you're updating content frequently or fine-tuning a finalized design, mastering text edits in Webflow ensures you have complete control over the presentation and narrative of your site. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials on how to get the most out of Webflow. If you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in future videos, feel free to leave a comment below. Have a great day and happy designing.